Another question I get asked is, what is a permit-ready ADU plan? That's a plan that a city has already approved in the permit process for structural elements and the floor plan. A permit-ready ADU, or an acronym we call PRADU, can be found on your city's website in the Planning Department tab. If you go to your city's address, your web address, maybe it's the city of Vista or it's the city of San Diego, wherever you go, if you can drill down to the planning section, you're going to find the PRADU plans. Some cities offer 5, some cities offer 3, but more and more you're going to see the PRADU plans. And how does that benefit you? You still are going to need other sections of the plan that are required by the city in order to get your permit, but the elements of the structural design, how it's built, the city is going to already have approved the structural element of a permit-ready ADU, meaning that the structural portion of the plans have already been prepared for permit and they've been approved by the building department. The other portion of the permit-ready plans that has already been approved is the floor plan itself. So you have the floor plan and the structural plans that have already been approved. You will still need a site plan. And what's a site plan? A site plan is where the plan shows your lot, where your primary residence is, where the proposed PRADU plan or permit-ready ADU will go, and how it's going to be tied into your electrical, how it's going to be tied into sewer, how it's going to be tied into water. All of the utility tie-ins will have to be explained because they're specific to your property. The site plan will also tell information about your property, such as your assessor parcel number, identifying elements of your property specifically that no PRADU plan could actually give you. So that would be done by an architect or a designer, but all of the structural parts, you wouldn't need a structural engineer because that would be already completed for you. Once that's submitted as a package, you can be expedited through the process of permitting because of those elements already being permit ready. Some jurisdictions allow you to use theirs if you're not even living in that jurisdiction. For example, the city of San Diego and the county of San Diego, these are 2 different jurisdictions. They both have permit-ready ADU plans for their citizens to use in their ADU construction. You can use them interchangeably. So be sure to look around and see if you can see some that you might be able to use that you prefer over your city's, but be mindful that your city's reciprocity with that city may or may not be allowed. Please click the link below if you'd like to learn more and watch our videos. We'd like to keep you informed on everything ADU.